Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it is day 8 of my birthday card a day September. So let's get into what I used. I started this card not really knowing what I wanted to do other than I wanted to try out these full front shaker pockets I got from This Calls for Confetti. I like the looks of like the full panel shaker cards, but the few that I've tried on my own have not been that successful. So I thought these pockets would be a good choice for me. So I wanted to try them out. I have to say, super thick product, like the plastic, you don't feel, I don't know, some stuff that I've used, I feel like the shaker bits are gonna like burst through. This don't have that issue. And it was very, very easy to put together. Now, we notice this has 4 3/16 and then 5 7/16. That's what you need to cut your paper. We all know I do not do those numbers well. I think my back panel could have been trimmed down just a touch, but it still works. And I was able to figure it out. So if I'm able to figure it out, you can figure it out. I really am excited about these. I'm going to probably get some of the other sizes because they have, I know mini slimline. I want to say they have slimline too. So very excited about that. I really, really enjoyed that. So then I started looking and I decided I wanted to use the Hanging with My Gnomies stamp set. And I wanted to make kind of a little scene. I kind of succeeded. There's some things I would do different, but we all have to play around and try things, right? Love this stamp set. And then I did use some This Calls for Confetti. I don't know what's still available. Everything that I can find that's still available, I will link in the description box below. So I use Spring Buzz. This is Sparkle All the Way, and then Glazed Strawberry. So I used those. They're all so pretty. And then I have to give another shout out for this tool. I loved how easy it was to peel the release paper off of those shaker pockets. And I didn't use this end on this card, but I have used it on several other cards, and I don't know, I love this. So if you didn't see one of my other videos where I talked about it, this is I believe it's called the Lift and Release tool from This Calls for Confetti. Love it. And on to my card. So here is my full panel shaker card. Shake, shake, shake. Of course, I want to play with it. You can kind of see it's kind of bowed out a little bit. So that's where I think that maybe I needed to do that, just like a sliver off of that. But by the time I realized it, I already had it adhered. So I was like, whatever. I did some stenciling. Oh, I must have put the stencils away. I'm sorry. I thought I had left everything out. I did use a cloud stencil from My Favorite Things, a stencil from Craft and Chemie, some Distress Oxides, and I even splattered. I always feel so trendy when I splatter some paint. But that's how I made the background. And then I colored and cut out all the images. In my head, these were going to be like in front. I don't know, they look like they're floating, I think because I put probably a little bit too much shaker mix in there. Not overly thrilled with that, but look at that little worm. So cute. So now I know what to do different on the next one. And I also thought it would be fun. I know like Lawn Fawn has like the really big sentiment dies, to just do that and have a little image. Anyways, I have lots of ideas. It's not horrible, but it's not like I envisioned it in my head. But yes, it does shake. It's very well secured. It was easy to put together. And then I did do the inside. Just have a little gnome stamped there. Yeah, I definitely overfilled it, I think, and it's kind of bowed. It's heavy. I think this will be one that either goes in a padded envelope or I will hand deliver. But it does say happy, happy, wonderful, or happy, happy, wonderful birthday wishes. My shaker bits are getting stuck there, but they'll fall. Sorry. It's one of those days. But anyways, so there is my card for day 8. Really, really reflects, but I'm really glad I tried it. Now I know what I want to improve on. And like I said, I'm excited to get the other sizes. I think that'll be fun. So everything is linked in the description box below, and I will see you back. Here tomorrow for day 9. And until then, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.